Listen closely. Right now, your engine might be dying a slow death, and you don't even know it. I've torn apart hundreds of dead motors, and they all tell the same story. Engines don't just fail, they're murdered. Today, we're playing detective. We'll expose the 4 silent killers lurking in your oil, coolant, and fuel. And one of them? It's probably inside your engine as we speak. Killer number 1, the fuel sneak, fuel dilution. Meet our first killer, the fuel sneak. It works like this. When raw diesel leaks into your oil, it's like pouring water into honey. Suddenly, your oil can't cling to metal. Bearings grind unprotected. Pistons scrape like nails on a chalkboard. But here's the scary part. You won't hear it happening. By the time your engine starts knocking, the damage is already done. Killer number 2, the dirty assassin, dust. This killer is so small, you could fit 10 of them on a human hair. But make no mistake, dust particles are like microscopic razor blades. They slip past your air filter, then go straight for the heart, your cylinder walls. Just 1 gram of dirt in your oil can cause $10,000 in damage. And the worst part? Your engine actually helps this assassin by grinding the particles finer, making them deadlier. Killer number 3, the shadow, soot. Meet the shadow. It's not just dirty oil. It's a carbon zombie apocalypse. Every time your engine burns fuel imperfectly, soot particles are born. They clump together, thicken your oil, and slowly choke your engine to death. Shocking stat. Lab tests prove 5% soot in oil doubles engine wear, and most drivers never check. Killer number 4, the Iceman, coolant leaks. The Iceman is the most dangerous killer of all because it's a master of disguise. A tiny head gasket leak lets coolant mix with oil. No smoke, no puddles. Just a chemical reaction that turns your oil into acidic sludge. Bearings corrode, filters clog. Then, silence. Your engine locks up forever. There's one warning sign, milky oil on your dipstick. Check it next fill-up. It could save your engine. Now you know the killers, but here's the good news. Every murder leaves evidence. Oil analysis is your crime lab. Regular maintenance is your alibi. So tell me in the comments, which killer scares you the most? The fuel sneak? The Iceman? Hit like if you learned something dark today. Subscribe, because next week we're revealing how to bulletproof your engine against these assassins.